In this application scenario, a smart sensor's performance begins to deteriorate over time due to build-up of dust on the device's lens. The specific time this happens is logged. The sensor's low margin issue is communicated to the operator's mobility device. The information supplied to the operator also includes the sensor's location and the time of the occurrence. The operator chooses to activate a visual indication continually flashing the affected sensor's LEDs. This allows the operator to quickly go to the device and assess the issue. The time of the LED activation is also logged. After cleaning the sensor, the low margin alert is removed from the dashboard and no further alarms are shown. The specific time of the alarm removal is also logged. All logged activities are time-stamped and communicated over Ethernet IP to the Allen Bradley controller. The data is then passed to FactoryTalk Historian to provide historical information. On another part of the equipment, the operator actions a parameter change by pressing a teach button on a smart sensor. The new set point parameters are stored on the device, and the parameter change event is time-stamped and communicated over Ethernet IP to the controller and then passed again to FactoryTalk Historian. FactoryTalk Historian maintains a report on all parameter changes and the times of those changes in order to monitor device operation and improve equipment effectiveness.